Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 9, Practice Set 39, Part 2 video. In this we will see 4th and 5th sum. So first 4th sum, A and B shared a profit of 24,500 rupees in a proportion of 3/7. Each of them gave 2% of his share of the profit to the soldiers' welfare fund. What was the actual amount given to the fund by each of them? That means they have shared how much? Rupees 24,500 rupees, and proportion is 3 is to 3/7. So that means A is having 3 and B is having 7. So they both have shared in the fund, soldier welfare fund. So we have to see A has shared how much and B has shared how much fund. So let's check it by solving. The profit is shared in the ratio 3/7. So let A get rupees 3x and B get rupees 7x. So total profit is 24,500. So 3x plus 7x equal to 24,500. So this 3 plus 7 you will get 10x equal to 24,500. Now we will take out x outside, equal to 24,500 upon 10. So you can divide in rough work and you get answer x equal to 24,050. So you can do in this way also, 0 cancel and 0 cancel. So 2,500, 4,450. Now A, we will now we get the x, 2,450. So let's find. So 3x, 3 multiplied by 2,450, we will get 7,350. B, 7x, as you know. So 7 multiplied by 2,450. So we get 17,150. So therefore the profit received by A is rupees 7,350, and that by B has received by rupees 17,150. Now let's see. A has shared 2% of rupees 7,350, which we have written here, and 2 upon 100 into the 7,350. Now this 0 and 0 will cancel, and you can cancel with 10 this. So you will get 147 rupees. Same way of B, we will take out 2% of rupees 17,150, 2 upon 100 into 17,150. So 10 and 10 get cancelled. So you get rupees 343. So that means A shared how much rupees? 147, and B shared rupees 343. So in this way we have to solve 4th sum. Now let's see the 5th sum. Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh put in together 3,60,000 rupees to form a partnership with their investments, being in the proportion 3:4:7:6. What was Jaya's actual share in the capital? They made a profit of 12%. How much profit did Nikhil made? Now in this we will check the Nikhil profit. So let's see. First we will write the given. The investment is in the proportion 3:4:7:6. So let Jaya, Seema, Nikhil and Nilesh invested rupees 3x, then 4x, and then 7x, 6x. Total investment is rupees 3,60,000. Now we will do the plus of 3x plus 4x plus 7x plus 6x. So you will get 20x and this 3,60,000 as it is here. Now we will take out x outside. X equal to 3,60,000 upon 20. This 0 and this 0 is cancelled and you can cancel with 2. So you will get 18,000. So we get x is equal to 18,000. So Jaya investment is rupees 3x. Now as you know that Jaya was invested rupees 3x. So let's see. We will take out x here. 3 multiplied by 18,000. You will get 84,000. Now 12% profit on rupees 3,60,000 is, let's see, profit 12 upon 100 into 3,60,000. So 100 0 cut and it becomes 12 multiplied by 3,600,000. So you will get 43,200. So Nilesh invested is rupees 7x out of total investment 20x. Now total investment 20x means this, total investment 20x. So Nilesh profit into 7x upon 20x equal to 43,200 and xx will get cancelled. So 7 upon 20 into 43,200. Now this 0 0 we will cancel it and we get answer 15,120. So therefore Jaya's investment is 54,000 and Nikhil made a profit of rupees 15,120. So in this way you have to solve fifth sum. So here we complete the chapter and problem set. Thank you students.